Hello everyone, and thanks for joining me here. In this video lecture, I would like to talk about Bernoulli Trial. And Bernoulli Trial is a random experiment with two outcomes, and this is the main characteristic of Bernoulli Trial. And we call those two outcomes success and failure. Success or failure can be different outcomes that are more specific to that random experiment. And then we have Bernoulli random variable. Bernoulli random variable has one parameter, and that is P, probability of success. And that's the only parameter that Bernoulli random variable has. Probability of success. Therefore, the notation is X follows Bernoulli distribution with probability of success P. And we typically label outcome success with 1 and outcome failure with 0. Therefore, the probability mass function of Bernoulli is equal to P when the outcome is success and is equal to 1 minus P, that's the probability of failure, when the outcome is failure. Expected value of Bernoulli random variable is P, and standard deviation of Bernoulli random variable is square root of P times 1 minus P. So as you can see, everything is a function of P. As long as you have the probability of success, you have all the information that you need for a Bernoulli random variable. So let's look at this example here. This one says, assume we have a single die which is fair. Each of 6 outcomes has equal probability of 1 over 6. Suppose rolling 6 is associated with some kind of reward, and rolling anything else is not. So here you realize that we have that quote-unquote success-failure situation. We have 2 outcomes for this random experiment. The die either lands on 6 or it doesn't otherwise. And the random variable is equal to 1 when it's a success, and it's equal to 0 when it's a failure. Determine probability mass function of y. Well, the probability mass function of y is just going to be like this here. So f of y when it's equal to 0 is equal to 5 over 6. And f of y, and it's equal to 1, which is the success, is 1 over 6. And that's the PMF of this random variable. Determine the expected value and variance of y. Well, expected value of Bernoulli random variable is P, so 1 over 6, probability of success. And variance of y is P times 1 minus P. And that's because the standard deviation is the square root of P times 1 minus P. Therefore, variance is P times 1 minus P. So 1 over 6 times 5 over 6. So it's 5 over 36. But this Bernoulli random variable is really the foundation of binomial distribution and random variable, which we will talk about in the next video.